Welcome to my channel. So, in the last section, we are discussing about this
Artlist.io.
tags. So, HTML tags. Okay, already in last section I was explained, but how it was executed practically. So, I will show you. See, in this, whenever you can open this browser after the creating this browser through
Music
this HTML
licensing
file. So
reimagined.
this I when so now I was open this file. File means here browser page. Browser also page. This is a page. So here any this is the tab bar title. So here tab bar title. What is the showing here? Dog showing. So why does came in that tab bar title came here? Because in our script our title name is what is there in title in between the pair tags. What is the inside the that
Music
pair tag? So
licensing
which type of the
reimagined.
content is there? Document. So that's why here so the same here you are this browser edge browser you are confused. I will move open in this I will open another Google browser. I am using this browser. So this path you can copy paste in here. So then in this browser also so directly coming
Artlist.io.
here. So the doc will be so the tab title name coming here. So when I will change this title, so my so our so I will change the what is our
Music
channel name.
licensing reimagined.
This is our channel name. So I will show you that after replacing this doc title. So after the paste, you should save this file. So how after changes, any changes came here. So here showing dot. So it means it does not
Artlist.io.
save this file. So then your changes will not uh, appear in this browser. So you should observe when you will change after changes. It is this file are saved or not. Okay, let's go for here now. Saved.
Artlist.io.
So after save button, user you automatically saved. So after that, so here previously which type of the title is there. This is the edge browser. So that their property happens like this way. So after refresh, which title? So which title came? So that our channel title came here. So that is the useful for this title tag for making at the each every tag.
Artlist.io.
So here you can see in this Google browser. So after refresh, this the tab bar title will change. So after refresh, so which is have you changed that title automatically came here. So that is useful for this title bar in this HTML script. Okay, so why should you kept inside a header section only? So this title bar, why should you are using inside of the header bar? In the header section only, you can write the script code. Script code means JavaScript code. Okay, so and also style CSS style code we can write inside of this header inside of this header section. So okay, so then so I will explaining header section which purpose
Music licensing
used.
reimagined.
Only we can make the styles, and also we can utilize the JavaScript code in the inside of the header section. Body tag. What is the body tag? Which purpose of the body tag? The body tag. So I in this browser, in this suppose in this browser, this is the
Artlist.io.
browser. This is the browser. How was this all things happen? సో మనకి ఇలా ఇది బ్రౌజర్ కనిపిస్తుంది కదా, దీంట్లో అన్ని ఇవి లోగోస్ కానీ హెడర్ సెక్షన్ కానీ ఇవి ఆల్ థింగ్స్ ఇమేజెస్ ఎలా కనిపిస్తున్నాయి,
Artlist.io.
which is the appearance in this here header section and menu bars and logo and sidebar menu bar, all these things how was appear here because of this all this all things data, all things
Music licensing
about
reimagined.
this script we will write inside of the body. So then which is the content of the which is the script write in the inside the body, that much of the code related the things only appear in this front view of browser. Okay, so that is the must utilize
Artlist.io.
useful for everywhere in this body tag. So in this body tag we can write the script tag also. So which purpose of this script tag?
Music
Which
licensing
purpose of this
reimagined.
the script tag we can utilize? The script tag, the master, the script tags in HTML file we can write purpose making define the functionality purpose, define the functionality purpose. So we can function, we can write function anything
Artlist.io.
here. So KCV and HTML. So like this way you can anything get element by type, not animation, we get
Music
element
licensing
by
reimagined.
ID. We can write the more. This is the property of the any para. So again we can print another HTML for the printing of anything. So change content. Okay, so this is the functionality. So same this script we can
Artlist.io.
we can cut here, we can write here in this header section also, we can write a header section. So then also it will utilizing for a anywhere. So in body section and also header
Artlist.io.
section, anywhere it is useful for us for the for changing the HTML content and any style it is defined. So that is useful for this the script. And what is the
Music
body tag?
licensing
So you already
reimagined.
told me. Sir, did you told me inside body tag which type of the script to write? That type of the script elements only appear like this way. So but here you doesn't not write here. So how was how was it inside of the body tag which type of the elements? So I am now
Artlist.io.
write the p tag, paragraph tag I am using. So this paragraph type also come under the pair tags, and also HTML tags also coming under the pair tags. Okay, this all things. Okay, these all things are comes under the
Music licensing
pair tag.
reimagined.
This body tag and paragraph tag. All these pair tags. Pair tags means container tags. Okay, none other name container. tag. So in this inside of paragraph tag, I write the some content. I have this much this content. So this content here. So
Artlist.io.
now, so here this much I have the contents. So I will show this this text I will show in this our browser. So where is our browser? Here, this is our browser.
Music
So when I
licensing
refresh,
reimagined.
so which is I was write the inside of the paragraph, that content will appear here. So came here. So that is useful for in inside of this body tag, which is the which type of the script, means which type of the statements means statement means here element, element which type of the number of the elements so appear. So suppose you can take the
Artlist.io.
another tag, this is the header tags. So that is the in header tags, different six type of the header tags, that is the h1 tag and h2 tag, h3 tag, h4 tag, h5 tag, h6 tag.
Artlist.io.
H6 tag font size is the last very smallest font size. So h1 tag font size is the very biggest size. Okay, so that is the difference of each from h1 to the h6. Okay, so next
Music
so when I will
licensing
write
reimagined.
inside of the h1 tag, so this is the header. This is the header tag. Sorry, this is the header. So when I save, so go to the our browser. When you will refresh, what is going on? This is a tag. This is a
Artlist.io.
why does not come in? Oh, came. So this is the you can give capital, so capital letters. That is looking good. So that's it. That is the main way. So not only that one. Suppose I
Music
want to change this
licensing
content.
reimagined.
I want to change content using this functionality. Using this functionality. So I will so I will give some ID. So that is the demo. So already this ID provide in this here in this functionality inside of the functionality for the printing of this. So the change the content. So I want to change the
Artlist.io.
content. So when I will, so I will button. I will take this button. So the click me. So here, sorry, um,
Music
on
licensing
click.
reimagined.
On click event changer. What is the functionality? When I event action, when I click this button, the my function will KCV function will call. Then only this inner HTML printed the change content. So this content will be here. This ID based. Where is the ID is there?
Artlist.io.
So inside of the paragraph. So this inside of the paragraph, which is content is there, that content will be automatically changed. So this content will be replaced of this content. So once when the on click means event action.
Artlist.io.
Okay. So then event action call this function after that. So the function inside which tag which is statement based, so the function will execute after that, the result will coming soon. So here let's see. So the button tag is
Music
there. So
licensing
which is
reimagined.
the p tag is the this one. So when I click, no, not what happened. When I click this function is what happened. So it is not working. Why it is not working? Let us solve this properly. Okay, so when I click this thing,
Artlist.io.
this will